Look up at the sky and sun appears yellow or orange. But in reality, what color is our star? According to solar physics and NASA spectrum analysis, the sun is actually pure white. The sun emits light across all wavelengths of the visible spectrum simultaneously. When all these colors combine, they produce crisp white light. So why does it look yellow from Earth? The answer lies in our atmosphere. As solar light travels toward Earth, atmospheric gas molecules scatter shorter blue and violet wavelengths in all directions, a phenomenon known as Rayleigh scattering. Because the blue light is scattered across the sky, making it appear blue, the remaining direct sunlight reaching your eyes is slightly shifted toward longer yellow and red wavelengths. Out in the vacuum of space, far above our atmosphere, astronauts see the sun in its true form, a brilliant, glowing white star illuminating the cosmos. Science proves that perception is often shaped by the atmosphere we live in.